I'm Jordi from Jordinner and welcome to a new episode. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare the dried beans you buy in the store so you can make a whole batch for yourself. So let's start.
Here I have some brown marrow-fed beans. You can use whatever bean you like. Throw everything in a pan and make sure to check if there are some rocks or other stuff that doesn't belong in there. Rinse the beans and make sure you use your hands properly, because I didn't. Repeat this a couple of times. Now add enough water so the beans are submerged and leave them to soak for at least 8 hours. You can see the difference after 8 hours of soaking. They look more like beans and less like stones. Drain and rinse the beans a couple of times. Put everything in a big pan and bring it up to a boil. I didn't add any salt to the water because that makes the skins of the beans very tough. Boil them for around 35 minutes. Every type of bean is different, so make sure to know the cooking time. But most beans need at least 30 minutes of cooking. Once they're done, drain the water. Leave them to cool completely if you want to freeze them like I am going to do. Otherwise you can enjoy them right away. Once the beans have cooled, put the beans in a plastic bag. I made myself several bags of beans. Freeze them and they will last up to 6 months in the freezer. Here's how they look when they've been frozen.
And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And I see you in the next one.